हेड कोच मैनेजर, इसमें फर्क एग्जैक्टली क्या होता है? देर आर सर्टन क्वेश्चंस बाय द मीडिया वेयर द हेड कोच कैन डायरेक्टली से कि ये क्लब संभाल रही है, बट
हाँ,
तब जब तुम मैनेजर होते हो ना, यू कंट्रोल कॉन्ट्रैक्ट सिचुएशंस, यू
हेड
डिसाइड इसको
कोच ही
देना
है
है कि
वो।
नहीं। हाँ, सो हेड अभी that's where I exactly want to come into Amarim at
हम्म,
United.
हम्म,
United for the first time I have hired a head coach and
हम्म,
not a manager.
हम्म,
So that is probably the biggest news in that respect, that we've hired a proper coach where we ask the coach to purely focus on performances,
हम्म,
training,
हम्म.
and his involvement is going to be there. So I know you must have seen a lot of news. So that's why I want to understand from you as a Liverpool fan and from Amit as a Spurs fan as to how do you purely see this appointment by United? How do you think, is it going to be any different, or this is not going to make any difference? The same cycle of 3 years will run at United. How do you objectively see this?
You
Matlab,
know,
keeping your bias and all aside, how do you see this? Is it going to be any different? Why do you feel anything different in terms of, call it vibes, call it impression from the other appointments in your time following football?
when
Yeah.
since Jose left, right? Every appointment that you have made, every appointment, I've never thought that is going to work ever. Like it always felt like the writing is on the wall. No matter what players you have, I mean, no matter whatever you do or whatever coach that you bring, United is not going to actually become as good to go for that title challenge and all. I know you
Mm.
guys are optimistic, but that's what I thought. Even when Ineos came, at that moment also, until you had Ten Hag, I still did not feel like that you had that complete piece of the puzzle. I still felt like, okay, Ineos has come and maybe structure is good, but there is still
Mm.
something off. And this
Mm.
appointment actually looks like now it looks like that Ineos has actually finally arrived. This is
Mm.
where their reign starts, and this is
Mm.
where I feel like that if you have been counting United out till now, maybe it's the time that you stop doing that, because this is your complete form now from my point of view. Like, you still need players, but you have fixed almost like the biggest part of what was wrong with United in general. Now you just need players, which is the easier part actually. Everything
No,
else is done.
I still don't understand. You said, right, previously you were sure that it would not work, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Yes, he's saying
mostly,
this
And
is
now
yeah.
the
you
time that
feel, now you
this
feel
might
it
work.
it might work.
I feel like,
What was
yes,
the difference?
the difference is ना कि इसके पहले,
Structure.
yeah, इसके पहले ना, it always felt like
No,
that
I
there
don't
was
think
kind of a
he cared
disconnect.
about structure. Structure
Yeah,
हमारे
no,
लिए
but
हम, but for a fan,
see, from my point of view, no,
yeah.
whenever I was looking, see, obviously I'm not just so shallow that I'm just going to look at your team and not going to look at anything else. But I always felt
Hmm.
like that your club is not connected with the team that is playing on the ground. Like there was an
Hmm.
obvious disconnect you could see. Like the team
Hmm.
is connected. Like a fan has some sort of expectation, but the club is not exactly involved. Is a better word, I think. I just felt like
Hmm.
club
Hmm.
is not
Hmm.
involved. Now it feels
Okay.
like that club is actually making the decisions. It feels a lot more deeper now. And that's
Oh,
which is
very
why I
fair
know,
point.
which is
Hmm.
which is
Hmm.
why which
Hmm.
is why now I have a little bit more of a confidence in a sense that that when the new players will arrive, like
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
will know. There was this thing, where everybody used to joke that the players have a lot more power in the United dressing room than
Hmm.
a coach,
Hmm.
right?
Yes.
And it
Brilliant
came
point. Yeah.
it came from
Yeah.
the fact that the management created such an environment
Hmm.
where a
By
coach would
giving
be,
away big contracts.
yes,
Yeah.
that the coach would have a little bit lesser power compared to
Yeah.
players,
Yeah.
which is going to change
Brilliant
now
point. Yeah.
drastically, right?
Fair enough.
So from where I'm sitting, I feel like that now club is properly involved into the team, and when that
Hmm.
happens, right,
They've
it
taken that power
yeah,
back.
it works
Yeah.
actually when that happens, right? All the
Yes.
decisions are
Yes.
going to be
Yes.
from the point of view that we
Hmm.
have to create a team that can win something. That's the
Yes.
feeling I'm getting. So it looks
Okay.
good actually. I don't like
Okay.
this, but it looks good. Like we
Hmm.
are not going to be able to banter you anymore, which I feel sad about.
Okay, Amit, what's your take on this?
Yeah, okay, I get the point of Abhay that you have a structure now and you have a head coach. You might have their pieces in place. Okay, this guy will do the scouting. This guy will hire people, and the head coach will tell what it is needed, and this is a complete machine that should be working,
Hmm.
right? And yes, that if it works as we are saying, it is absolutely well and good. But when I go and like try to compare Amorim and ETH, I
Mhm.
don't find much of a difference of the managers that they are in. Matlab, I'm not see this is not the first time you're going into a league that is not as good as Premier League, getting the best coach out of that league and putting it in United. And we have
Hmm.
seen this script.
Hmm.
We
Yes,
did that
yes.
earlier. This is not the
Hmm.
first
Fair
time we are
enough.
doing it, and
Okay.
it
Yeah.
did not work. Right?
Mhm.
Recently, we are
Okay.
seeing it did not work. It's
Okay.
not a. And I was always of a mind that a manager can work in United who is big, who's already big, right?
Okay.
Who has a reputation. That
Acha,
like
like a
kind of a
Tuchel.
more like a Mourinho, Tuchel, Contes of the world, who has proved themselves in biggest of the stages and
Mhm.
Hmm.
are there who can manage the media, who can be manage the
Hmm.
players dressing room कि वो command
Hmm.
कर सकते हैं उस dressing room
Mhm.
को कि भाई I am the gunda of this dressing room and nobody else is. Right.
Hmm.
Up again, if Ineos changes this factor, I give you that authority to become that Gunda, then absolutely that can be the differentiating factor between the
Hmm.
past managers and this. But that is what I was always of a thinking कि United because उन पे इतना media pressure रहता है, उतना fan pressure, player को संभालना dressing room. Only a person with a strong CV and a strong experience in this system should be able to handle all that pressure.
So you mean more like a Real Madrid kind of model where they only
Absolutely,
thrive, they
absolutely,
only thrive under
absolutely.
the reputed managers. Okay.
Reputed match, absolutely.
Hmm.
So that is what my take is. So I believe this is the
Hmm.
same script and
Oh,
might
it's
not
the
have
same
changed.
script is what you feel. Okay. Okay. Now, obviously, I mean, I am asking myself now.
Optimistic
What
you are,
I,
man. Come on, we'll ask
yeah.
you. How?
It's your team, man.
What
It's
do you
your
think?
team.
Yeah, I mean, empty optimism, I would not obviously like, but obviously for you fans, for outsiders, obviously you would expect, you would think, yeah, new manager, new vibes, you want things to change, you expect that players will immediately respond, you will see them running, going after every ball. It is expected. It is all expected. If you if you hire even Amit as United's manager, everyone will be like, होता है ना चेंज ऑफ सीनरी न्यू मैनेजर बाउंस दैट टर्म वाज यूज्ड राइट अ
अभी हुआ है
लॉट
तुम्हारे साथ पिछले 4 मैचेस में.
या
The Ruud van
एग्जैक्टली आई
Nistelrooy.
मीन ब्रिलियंट पॉइंट रूड वैन निस्टेलरॉय वाइब्स एवरी मतलब all all every player said that Ruud van Nistelrooy did was Real Madrid. I mean, Ruud van Nistelrooy himself admitted कि I could not change a lot of things from Ten Hag's time. I only changed 80. I mean, I only changed 15% of the things. 85% is just the same. I only told my players to be happy and give back to the football club because sometimes you have to go back and reset that you play for Man United. That's all he did.
Oh,
So they had, yeah, some of them even some players come back to press conference and say, Ruud van Nistelrooy reminded us that sometimes we need to appreciate we play for win. Oh, you actually needed a fucking slap to
seriously.
remind you of that. Yeah, I was telling that to myself, and you touched
Bullies
upon,
United खेलते हो.
गजब
and
भाई.
you touched upon the brilliant point of RVN these 4 games. So obviously, I am optimistic, like everyone else is around the world, all United fans, about Amorim. But personally, what I've judged is that what I've learnt of Amorim is that why is it could be different. I'm not saying it is going to be a successful trophy laden, time under Amorim. Not saying that at all. But what I'm instead saying is that under Amorim, we will be different than all the other managers that have been at United. That I can assure you. That I can absolutely assure of. You know why? Because even under Ten Hag, there are certain shortcomings that we all knew that he
Hmm.
had. It was the communication. It was to command the dressing room. Ten Hag was just a hard worker, like most Dutch managers are. Attention to detail, having video sessions with the players, going into the nitty gritties of games, passing out clear cut instructions. Again, he is trying to pass out clear cut instructions, but players are unable to receive it. At United, it is kind of a point that I'm trying to make is both a mixture of Amit's point, brilliant point, and the brilliant point made by Abhay Jogekar. Why I say that is because at United you need personality, right?
Yep.
And
Yeah.
I feel Amarim may not be that big of a name like the Tuchel or the Mourinho's now, but he's still a hotshot property. Like Ten Hag was when he came, because he won the league at Ajax. He, made names in the Champions League. So the smaller league teams, they make names only in the Champions League, because in
Yep.
the Champions League they try to beat the big teams. That's when they make their name. So with Amarim is that he's a complete opposite of Ten Hag in terms of personality and communication, which players will easily love.
Hmm.
When I see Amarim, I mean I cannot look past Klopp. This is, you ask any United fan, they will tell you what Klopp had done at Dortmund to secure a position at Liverpool. We have done the exact same thing. The kind of vibes, the kind of reputation, the kind of camaraderie that Amarim shares with his players,
Hmm.
fist pumping, hugging, all that you have seen under Klopp, right? You will see the same thing under Amarim. And we as United fans, and I've told you in this podcast as well, भाई कभी कभी लगता है क्लॉप को हमने कितना मिस किया. सर, you know that story, right? Sir
Ah,
Alex
yeah.
Ferguson had approached Klopp.
Yeah, I know.
Klopp worshipped Saf, but it wasn't the right time when we approached him. Okay, so he was not available because Klopp is a loyal guy and Dortmund के साथ उसका project continue हो रहा था and he had committed कि वो season
Hmm.
वो रुकेगा. Then Liverpool came along and that happened. We
Hmm.
had to move for Amorim because Amorim को अगर मिस करते, we would have rued that particular thing for the next 10 years. So whatever United fans have craved for, that passion, हम लोग ये क्रेव नहीं कर रहे हैं कि कल हमारे पास पेप आ जाए. सही में, मी एज अ फैन आई विल टेल यू, हम चाहते हैं कि क्लब जैसा कैरेक्टर आ जाए. बिकॉज यूनाइटेड फैंस, मतलब अगर एमरिम हमको थोड़ा सा भी दे देगा ना, हम शायद स्टैचू वैचू बना लेंगे उसका.
No, that is true,
इट्स
I can
इट्स
so
काइंड ऑफ
much,
लाइक दैट,
I understand the feeling so much, in
that
that sense,
feeling.
United and Liverpool are very similar when it comes to the
Very
fan
similar.
culture,
Yes.
and the kind of,
Historic clubs behave
they're
like that.
exactly. You give them
So
this much, they'll give you everything.
they'll give you everything. And इसीलिए I have taken a mickey out of you for Trent Alexander telling in one of the press conference that yes, Manchester City have won 4 or 5 titles more than us, but those titles that Liverpool has won mean much more, and United भी अगर सेम सिचुएशन में रहा, हम भी यही बोलेंगे कि our titles mean more, क्योंकि the when you flood the entire street, colors everywhere, the passion, the social media going crazy, भाई अलग ही मजा है उसका यार, जो कि कभी
That's
मैनचेस्टर सिटी फैन को एक्सपीरियंस नहीं होगा उनके लाइफ टाइम में. सो
it's just not that kind of club, man. It's just not that
वी
kind of club.
वांट दैट फीलिंग, समझ रहे हो? दैट्स व्हाई आई एम हैप्पी कि मेरे को एमरिम के साथ गारंटीज क्या है, गारंटीज यही है कि मेरे को क्लब जैसा वाइब मिलेगा, मेरे को पैशन दिखेगा पिच पे, टच लाइन में ऐसे नहीं. टेनेग वाज सैट लाइक दिस. अरे भाई, गो स्लैप द रेफरी, गिव हिम अ माउथफुल भाई, गिव हिम अ माउथफुल. टच लाइन एंटिक्स चाहिए. वी विल प्लेयर्स विल थ्राइव ऑफ ऑफ यू. दीज आर बेसिक्स.
These are basics, exactly, yeah.
These are basics. एंड देखो यार, ये आर्सेनल में शायद शांत होके चल जाए या कहीं और चल जाए, स्पर्स एंड शांत रहता है वो चल जाए, बट वो होता है ना क्लब
भाई
का
एंड जब
फैब्रिक
भड़कता है तो देखा नहीं तुमने टच
अपना
लाइन पे.
हाँ, मैंने देखा नहीं है शायद. आई एम जस्ट सेइंग कि मे बी इट वर्क्स एट अ डिफरेंट क्लब बीइंग साइलेंट, जैसे कि सम अदर क्लब आई डोंट नो ऑफ,
I don't know, just say Chelsea,
बट
man. It's fine.
whatever it is. बट अगर यूनाइटेड का हिस्ट्री इज बिल्ट ऑन सर एलेक्स फर्ग्यूसन एंड बॉबी चार्ल्टन एंड व्हाट नॉट, देन टचलाइन एंटिक्स तो ब्लड में.
Yeah, these
You
kind
can,
of grounds, like the grounds like
yeah,
Old Trafford. And
correct.
I mean, I want to say Anfield, but I always say Anfield. So there's
Yes.
there's always included. The grounds like Old Trafford, right now. When your manager has that character, the ground responds in a way that the opponent would
Yes.
hate.
Yes.
You know,
Yes.
like getting the soul of the ground behind you is so important,
Yes,
and it has been Klopp's personality, obviously, that he would get the
exactly.
ground behind him, and that works
Yes,
wonders, man. And when you have like
yes,
a fan culture like that, you're not utilizing that is almost a crime for me,
yes.
quite honestly.
सो मैं वही बोल रहा हूँ कि मी एज अ फैन यू नो व्हाई आई एम ऑप्टिमिस्टिक आई नो फॉर अ फैक्ट दैट बाकी जितने भी मैनेजर्स है उससे अलग होगा सो
Hmm.
ये मेरा समरी है आई एम नॉट इवन गोइंग टू कि आई एम नॉट इवन गोइंग टू स्टार्ट गेटिंग इनटू डिटेल्स कि वो कैसा खेलेगा 3 at the back घंटा एट द बैक 0 at the back आई डोंट नो ऑल दिस आई डोंट नो ऑल
And
दिस आई
Joel,
डोंट इवन
Like
वांट टू
passion is
डिस्कस इट
important.
passion is
Passion.
currently like you know it's kind of he has to awaken the sleeping giant right now मतलब हमारे पास प्लेयर्स अच्छा है now we can't even complain about players so
hmm.
what Amarim the moment Amarim is coming is actually the best period मतलब
Hmm.
also another point I want to put it on record is that this is the first time a manager is going to come to our club having actually strengthened the team नॉट लाइक कि एक
Hmm.
मैनेजर आ रहा है वो सोच रहा है ओ भाई पूरा टीम रीबिल्ड करना पड़ेगा मेरे को दैट्स नॉट द केस
Hmm. Hmm.
दैट आई
Hmm.
कैन टेल यू
Hmm.
he can actually मतलब obviously he will have this high intensity players that he require for the system there will be 2-3 changes but this is actually good team where you can extract results it's not like
Hmm.
those days वो वेन रूनी बूढ़ा हो रहा है पॉल पोगबा को खेलना नहीं है उसको नाच गाना करना है आफ्टर लूजिंग मैचेस ही इज डूइंग ही इज डांसिंग इन द
Yeah,
ड्रेसिंग रूम
you
विद
just need a
लिंगार्ड
brutal coach कि भाई
करेक्ट
खेलो पैशन दिखाओ तो
दैट
You
इज
know,
द
like
थिंग
when you already had someone who was a little bit brutal in that particular sense, like bilkul, like if you're not working hard enough, you're not in the team. But
selective brutality.
yeah, but like he also has to be able to connect with the players, which is what he was lacking. But it seems like he's
It
going
was
to,
lacking a big deal.
yeah.
Yeah.
Hmm.
He,
Because again, because of the language.
हाँ
लोग
language
बोलते हैं
barrier.
आईएक्स में वो सक्सेसफुल हुआ बट वो होता है ना तुम अगर लैंग्वेज को अच्छे से जानते हो तुम कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हो यू नो आई विल गिव यू एन एनेक्डोट स्मॉल एनेक्डोट फ्रॉम द टाइम व्हेन उगाटे वाज साइंड ओके
Hmm.
मतलब द ऑफिशियल MUTV ऐप had uploaded a small video कि the manager is congratulating कि you are मतलब you are a new signing you are congratulating right you are welcoming the new player to the club पर उस वीडियो में भी there was a awkward situation where me as a watcher I'm thinking अरे ये uncomfortable हो गया है because 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 क्या हुआ वो कुछ तो भी उगाटे को इंग्लिश में बोला and there was a wall there was a picture right there was a picture of our older players and ऐसा picture था that Roy Keane or someone was tackling or something right picture था wall पे and they were approaching that picture while you know Tenak was shaking Ugate's hand he was like, you are the destroyer right you are a tough tackler and all that ऐसे कुछ तो वो इंग्लिश में उसको बोला and Ugate thought that the manager is referring to the photo ठीक है वो ऐसे सोच रहा है and it was so awkward what me oh me yeah I am a tough tackler तो फिर he is like कि yeah that is in our blood as a Uruguayan that is embedded in me कि मतलब ये जो टैकल करना run for every ball that is embedded in me तो it was kind of an awkward conversation and you don't like to see it right you like to see a proper hug टेनाक ने आज तक किसी को हग नहीं किया डू यू नो दैट and players sometimes need it no matter how gay that sounds
It doesn't, man.
it
It
doesn't
doesn't.
actually
It
it
doesn't.
doesn't
It
it
doesn't.
doesn't and
Like, see, I'm not sure about maybe hugs and all, but like there's a friendly kind of if even at least don't make it awkward. I mean, that is like a bare minimum is
it
what we
was
need.
awkward it was awkward it was awkward with several W's and K's
Well,
so
it's fine, man. Like you have a new guy and you seem like
yeah
very optimistic about it, and I can actually see where it is coming from because like it filled the gaps that you have been trying to fill for a long time. I can only
yeah
imagine how jealous probably you guys felt when we had Klopp and we were like doing whatever we were doing at that point.
yeah
And
yeah
I really hope that you don't get to that position at all because
but I
it's
want to give an
United.
example of slot here
Yeah. Yeah.
the different Slot and Tenag, right? Both are Dutch coaches. Both are
Mm.
And
bald.
both are
Okay.
bald.
Mm.
Both.
Shiny
I
heads.
covered that, Amit. I covered that. Both are bald. Okay. But you know what is the difference? One
Mm.
is a
What
clear-cut
is fact?
communicator. once own the press conference.
Hmm.
He's also not a hugger. Slot is also
Hmm.
not a hugger. He's
Hmm.
also like pretty straightforward and a calm guy. Just like
Hugs a
Ten Hag.
little bit, but like you know, a little bit distant hug kind of thing.
नो डिस्टेंट हग वो सब नहीं है प्रॉपर वो क्लॉप वाला पैशन वाला वो नहीं है
नहीं
उसका
वैसा
ही इज
नहीं, वैसा
काम
नहीं, he is
तो
calm.
वही बोल रहा हूँ बट व्हाट इज वर्किंग फॉर हिम सिंस डे वन इज दैट वो क्लियर कट कम्युनिकेट कर भाई वैन डाइक तेरे को यही करना है ट्रेंट
Hmm.
अलेक्जेंडर यही करना है पैटर्न यही है तुमको काम यही करना है क्लियर कट कम्युनिकेट एंड ही ओन्स द प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
Hmm.
ये
Yes, yes.
मतलब प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस वालों को पेल देता है तो प्लेयर्स भी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस देखते हैं डोंट थिंक दैट
हाँ.
दे आर चिलिंग एट होम दे ऑलवेज
Hmm.
वॉच व्हाट द मैनेजर इज टॉकिंग अबाउट द टीम
Hmm.
एंड दैट एक्सुड्स अ लॉट ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस
That's true.
अगर
Yeah.
मेरा मैनेजर तगड़ा बात कर रहा है एंड टीम
Hmm.
को प्रोटेक्ट कर रहा है आई विल गेट कॉन्फिडेंस ऑफ दैट
Obviously.
और टेनैग मतलब now I can talk about it in hindsight he was pure delusion in press conferences I never watched this press conference
Especially at end, man. Especially at end.
you know MUTV ऐप मैंने पैसा
Trust
देकर
the
रिन्यू नहीं
process.
किया है ड्यूरिंग दिस टाइम 3 साल में I did not renew the app now I am going to renew
It's all going to the plan.
Yeah.
It's just the process.
Just the process.
yeah what remains now is result now Ipswich Town if we lose like Ange did against Ipswich Town then obviously United fans will go into meltdown immediately yeah
अब
do
इतने
you know
इतने के बाद तो
United
yes.
fans का क्रेज Amorim का फ्लाइट प्राइवेट जेट फ्रॉम लिस्बन टू मैनचेस्टर was the most tracked flight that day
ये हम भी कहते हैं बाय द वे, हमारा भी बहुत होता है ट्रैकिंग भाई, बिल्कुल चालू हो जाते हैं सबके
क्या
सब,
ट्रैक
फ्लाइट ही
करते
ट्रैक
हैं
किए
भाई
जाते हैं.
कसम crazy
Crazy भाई,
this
crazy.
absolutely
Awesome,
crazy
man. I love that about, I mean, our fan bases actually. I just love that about our fan bases.
yep so that's about it no technical details for today at least about our
Yeah, it's
manager
all about vibes.
I'm happy to actually share yeah
Yeah.
yeah no matter how crazy that sounds it's all about vibes for now
all the fans are having great vibe managers now.
Yeah.
yeah
बस उतना ही है. Arteta
Yes.
क्या है?
Arteta
No
vibeless
vibe.
spineless tactical-less
Like अभय नहीं होता है, like जब भी वो नहीं होता है, we go like one step ahead actually.
भाई बट एक बात बस सोचने की है कि मतलब जब आर्सेनल के आर्टेटा के टाइम में ही अगर लिवरपूल 2 मैनेजर के अंदर ट्रॉफी ले जाए
हाँ.
लीग
Hmm.
काफी
तो
weird होगा.
मजा तो आएगी, मजा तो आएगी.
बहुत ज्यादा वियर्ड हो
काफी मजा
जाएगा
आएगी.
कि भाई 2 मैनेजर जीत चुके हैं तेरे टाइम में.
तुझे पता है,
तो
you know, I
उज्जवल
don't
वही
even
बोला ना
have anything against Arteta, पता है. I feel like he's a decent manager. Like, but
हाँ is a decent
he's a decent
manager
manager. But the thing is now, like he gets talked, he gets pulled into this conversation of title-winning managers who go toe to toe with City, or even Pep, basically, who is trying to do that
भाई वो भी तेरे
complete
को चलेगा, वो भी तेरे को चलेगा, बट जितना हाइप करते हैं ना आर्सेनल के
fans ना. हाँ,
फैंस
शायद वो नहीं
उतना
चलता उतना.
हाइप नहीं समझ में आता
अरे
भाई.
the hate comes because
गोट
of
हो
the
जाता है
fans
वो.
only
हाँ.
why
हाँ,
do you
और
think
कोई
the
नहीं है
hate
भाई,
is
सब अच्छे लगते हैं.
it's
साका
because
वाका
of the
बढ़िया
fans
लोग है, बट
हाँ,
फैन
साका
नहीं
actually
वाका
बनना था.
सब बढ़िया लोग
अच्छा
हैं
है.
उनके प्लेयर्स अच्छे हैं आर्टेटा इज आल्सो गुड भाई उसके
He's
प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस
decent, हाँ.
में इज डिसेंट तो बट
भाई
द
अभी
प्रॉब्लम इज द
जबरदस्ती मेरे को
फैंस
लगता है पीयर प्रेशर में आके उसको गंदा का बोलना ही पड़ता है पेप के खिलाफ कुछ, मतलब क्योंकि
हाँ
अब फैन इतने हरा रहे हैं, कुछ बोलेगा ले, फैन लोग बोले नहीं है तो चूतिया है.
नो द थिंग इज
उसको भी
दैट
थोड़ा वाइब कैच करनी पड़ती है फैंस की.
as a manager also I'm 100% sure कि him as a manager he is also struggling to keep his players motivated भाई
It is
कैसे
difficult, man.
मोटिवेट रखेगा
It's very difficult, हाँ.
क्या बोलेगा इन दिस सिचुएशन तू तू मतलब उसकी औकात है इतना बोलने की कि भाई तुम फाइट करते रहो टाइटल जीतेंगे कैसे टाइटल जीतेगा भाई तू
भाई
बता
9 पॉइंट्स,
एवरी
भाई 9
टीम
पॉइंट्स कम नहीं होता है, बहुत. 9 पॉइंट्स है ना अभी गैप, थर्ड का उसके बीच में.
नो तुझे पता है इन द हिस्ट्री ऑफ प्रीमियर लीग नो टीम विद अ गैप ऑफ 9 या
More than 8
9
points,
या
I think. More than 8
more than
points, I
8
think.
points has
Hmm.
never won the title
Hmm.
the
हाँ.
last deficit that was overturned was by United 2 times that was 8 points
Okay.
तो
बढ़िया.
तो
Good
those
old
are the
times,
crazy
हाँ.
stats but stats are stats but अगर आर्सेनल अच्छा खेल रही होती तो लगता है हाँ भाई कुछ होगा वो खेल ही नहीं रही अच्छा that is the
That's the
problem
problem, you know. अगर ऐसा होता ना कि Arsenal was losing or drawing matches where they played so well, like they played other team out of the park, but then got countered. No, it's a
तो भाई
different thing. But
एक बार
Arsenal
आके
also doesn't
आर्टेटा
look comfortable in attack.
आर्टेटा बोले तो भाई कि नहीं खराब खेले, वो आके एक्सक्यूजेस देता है कि ये रेफरी चूतिया, उसने ये कर दिया वो कर दिया। भाई
फैन
बोले
बेस
ना
भी
यार,
That's
वही
it. That's how much is
no
the pressure, man. That's the pressure actually.
that's the
बट वही
pressure
है ना,
you
फिर
have to
तुम्हें
find
वही
certain excuses
फैंस को तो ये
Because
लगेगा ना कि भाई डिल्यूजनल है मैनेजर, वैसे
भाई
उनके
क्या है
फैन
ना,
भी डिल्यूजनल ही हैं बट
अभी like they are match made in heaven in that particular way.
नहीं यार ऐसा नहीं होता if you keep feeling as a manager that I am aggrieved I am always stolen or ripped off of points then players will say अच्छा हाँ यार हमारे साथ तो यही हो रहा है your
मैं यही बोल
effort
रहा था।
goes
भाई
down
That's
भाई
what I
सी
said last वाले में भी
इफ
ना.
यू
It rubs off on
obvious
your players actually.
that is
इफ यू
bad
बिहेव
managerial
लाइक
move
अ
then
Hmm. What were you saying?
इफ यू बिहेव लाइक अ विक्टिम यू विल बिकम अ विक्टिम, बस इतना ही।
yeah you will become no you know on current form and everything United are performing better than Arsenal
भाई स्टैट्स
नहीं,
में
see,
हम लोग
you
आगे हैं
cannot
उनसे।
you cannot take that away from them that they have actually had difficult fixtures. ठीक है, you have to give them that. ठीक है, you had difficult
पिक्चर
features,
रही क्या उनके?
fixtures.
कहाँ डिफिकल्ट बोरे मौत को नहीं आ रहा है भाई
नहीं, वही तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ ना, बट व्हेन यू डोंट हैव डिफिकल्ट फिक्चर्स लाइक they'll have excuses for that ना, कि रेफरी ने ऐसा नहीं किया, वो साइड में मिड पॉइंट पे जाके एक पैर टच हो गया था तो फाउल नहीं दिया, काइंड ऑफ चीज. दैट्स व्हाट दे, which is what
you go
frustrates
at
me,
a
you know.
microscope
Seriously,
no
if
what
they go
frustrates me is they talk about yellow card ये yellow card मिलना ही
exactly,
नहीं था
हाँ exactly.
अरे
भाई
वो
तुम गेम
छोड़िए,
देखो.
इस पे भी चले जाते हैं कि 90+ मिनट में जो बॉल बाहर मारी थी वो उन्होंने मारी थी, कॉर्नर नहीं मिला।
भाई कितनी बार मिस हुआ है हमसे. भाई तुम ये सब
कॉर्नर तो
देखोगे तो
गोल होता है
सब टीम के
भाई।
साथ होता है भाई, वो तो सब टीम के साथ
भाई
होता है.
सब टीम के साथ होता है यार एक थ्रो इन नहीं मिलता उसका टच हुआ होता है नहीं मिलता
कितने
हम
कॉर्नर
हम
मिस
तो
होते हैं भाई, कितनी
हम
बार
तो
मैं फ्रस्ट्रेट
कॉर्नर
हुआ
पे
इस
ही
वाली चीज
मारते
से.
हैं तो कॉर्नर नहीं दिया, हमारा कॉर्नर इक्वल टू गोल मान लिया उन्होंने, कॉर्नर और पेनल्टी सेम डील करने
आई
लगे हैं वो लोग।
वही कल 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 अभय सेड वन थिंग पता है कि अपना वी गॉट द डिसीजंस, ओके, सो बिकॉज ऑफ दीज डिसीजंस वी गॉट पॉइंट्स रॉब्ड ऑफ अस. भाई व्हाट द फक मैन, you know. So you got those decisions fine, like you had a rest of the game to win the
अरे
game, to win
नहीं,
that particular game ना.
एक बात
ये थोड़ी ना
बताओ,
होता है कि तुमको डिसीजन मिल गया तो you got robbed of the points.
एक बात
Like
बताओ,
go
व्हाई
ना
इज
play
इट
ना.
रॉन्ग, व्हाई इज इट रॉन्ग, मतलब जैसे इसने बोलते ही सबसे ज्यादा पॉइंट्स हमारे, लेट्स से वार ने, लिवरपूल क्लेम कर दिए, आर्सेनल क्लेम कर दिए कि वार ने हमारे सबसे ज्यादा पॉइंट ओवरटर्न किए,
हम्म.
है ना, तो मतलब वी आर द सफरिंग टीम, बट वार इज टू मेक द रॉन्ग्स राइट, राइट, तो
हाँ
दे आर मेंट टू, मतलब अगर उसने तुमसे पॉइंट छीने इसका मतलब यू आर नॉट डिजर्विंग दैट, मतलब दैट शुड
नहीं
बी द
नहीं, we
आइडियल वे
don't
ऑफ,
talk about that actually, you are right,
आइडियल
you are
नहीं,
right
आइडियल
कि
वे ऑफ लुकिंग इट इज दैट ओनली ना, कि अगर
हाँ
उसने
हाँ,
लिया है तो वो तुम्हें मिलना भी नहीं चाहिए था।
VAR is supposed to fix it. Actually, there's a table where it says how many mistakes referees have made against each of the team. ठीक है, that
विच
is a
रेफरी,
that is a
विच
better
रेफरी,
any
नॉर्मल
in
रेफरी या
general.
वार?
In general, referee VAR मिला के सब कुछ, like what are the mistakes made by
बट
referees in
वार,
general.
वार
तो
की
VAR में भी ऐसा
मिस्टेक्स,
होता है
ओके
कि
ओके,
समझ ले कि there is a kind of a red card but there is a context attached to it or something like that. ठीक है, then you don't get the red card or maybe some sort of a yellow card doesn't get converted into a red card or something like that. अब ये तो सब चीजें वो है ना, कुछ तो इन लोग तो सीधे सीधे मिस्टेक भी कर ही लेते हैं. there is an inconsistency in refereeing as well, so sometimes they actually do the mistake. So there is a table for that and it's Arsenal doesn't top or they don't top that table basically. They're in the middle basically in
पर
that particular
इसमें
sense.
कहीं तो उसने मेरे को शेयर किया था, यही वाला कि वार ने कितने ओवरटर्न किए, उसमें आर्सेनल सबसे ऊपर में
That is
दिखने
not the
लगी।
right metric actually because VAR is supposed to overturn these
सपोज
kind
टू
of
ओवरटर्न ना,
situations.
मतलब
Yeah.
क्या है उसमें, मतलब ओवरटर्न करेगा तभी तो दिखेगा ना उस मैट्रिक में।
The
तो
problem I
फिर
have with
देन
Arsenal fan is
देन
यही वाला पता
देन
है.
प्रोबेबली द ऑन-फील्ड रेफरी इज फेवरिंग यू, right? If VAR has to overturn most of the decisions against you, then maybe
Yeah.
the referee
the
there is
referee is
Actually,
favoring you
actually.
oh brilliant point
उनो
yeah
उनो के वक्त हो गया भाई ये तो.